an SRE, and in Google, in SRE, historically there used to be very few women, but leadership really cared about diversity. So they made a lot of efforts of hiring more diverse candidates, not just women, but people from different backgrounds, different minorities. And by now, SRE really has a lot of diversity, and it's noticeable that when you have more diverse point of view at the table, you get better results. I was almost always the only woman in my class. And while I was at university, I had to endure a lot of discrimination and mocking and people thinking that I wasn't good enough, that I didn't belong. When we had to do assignments, they would have me do the documentation instead of doing the actual assignment. But I know that I belong here and that I am amazing. It doesn't matter what the others think. So when creating the content for this program, I really tried to keep diversity in mind, and I tried to incorporate it in many of the examples that are in the different courses. As I was writing the scripts of the courses, I never assumed that the learner had the same background as me. I tried to put myself in the shoes of different people and make it all make sense for them.
Congratulations on finishing this lesson in the Google IT Automation with Python certificate. Access the full experience, including job search help, and get the official certificate by clicking the icon or the link in the description. Watch the next lesson in the course by clicking here, and subscribe to our channel for more lessons from upcoming Google Career Certificates.